Dowsing is an art and a skill that can be learned by anyone of almost any age to find hidden information to make better decisions for yourself and your loved ones. Please use all this information at your own risk. Thank you. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind, Body, Emotions expert and Master Dowser. This short video is going to help you understand and release any old energies that are stuck in you, especially from people you have consulted for help, for healing, for well-being. I don't know for sure how this happens, but somehow when we connect with healers or people who are interested in helping us, it could even be therapists, doctors. Sometimes that connection is so strong that they actually do not disconnect all of their energy, and some of it is still stuck in us. And you don't want to be carrying around anyone's energy. And I've cleared myself generally and specifically from a lot of people's energies, but I never thought to clear myself from people with whom I've done healing work. When my dad passed almost 20 years ago, I couldn't get over it. And so I had to go find a natural healer who did energy work on me, and she cleared me out, and I dowsed to see if her energy was still in me 19 years later, and sure enough it was. Again, I never suspected it. I'm sure she didn't do it on purpose, but don't want to have that stuff stuck in you. So all you have to do if you can douse is, I'll just show you, when I put my hands out like this, I ask a question. Are there any energies in me, in human Colleen, in her energy meridians, from other healers who have worked on me in the past? And when my fingers come together, that's a yes answer. When my fingers go below the palm, into the palm area, that's a no answer. May I know who it is, what year it happened? It happened in the year 2000 and beyond. 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, those energies are from a female, a male. That would be someone who did shiatsu on me. All right, let's clear that out. I now release all energies, emotions, any cords, hooks, strains, tethers, all things spoken and unspoken, named and unnamed, known and unknown from that male who did shiatsu on me in 2006. Just clearing all that out now. All energy, good, bad, ugly, unknown, any of it. I don't want any of his energy in me, so be it. I, human Colleen, my energy system is carrying around the energies of a healer who worked on me in the past. Okay. I did clear earlier before this video the energies of the woman who did that healing work on me after my dad passed about 19 years ago, 20 years ago. So that was gone, but I was surprised to find the one about the person who did some other work on me in 2006. That's all you have to do, but it's really good to clear out your energy. You're going to feel lighter, possibly more joyful, more blissful. You don't need other people's energy stuck in you, right? Ain't nobody want that. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out my website, emorescue.com. It's got tons of free articles, videos, audios, ebooks for you, your family, friends, and your animal friends. Everyone deserves to live in joy and peace and love and just have the best life that they can imagine, especially you. Thank you. Namaste. Peace out. Bye for now. My website, emorescue.com, offers free ebooks, audios, videos, EFT charts, free charts, all kinds of information for your self-healing empowerment. Check it out today. Thank you.